Welcome back to EVisionGarage. Today we will talk about Kia EV9 model 2026. Let's talk about exterior. A unique blend of EV sleekness and SUV toughness. A strong profile maximizes space utility. The body sculpture is created by polygonal and triangular from language. An aircraft or fuselage-type geometric body side is combined with triangular fender sculpture. The exaggerated geometric wheel arches give a rugged and go-anywhere look. Sharply defined edge detailing unifies the polygonal elements into a cohesive sculpture. Front profile the solid volume of the body-colored grille and the three-dimensional tier nose image. The glossy black intake grille with technical details applied and rugged look skid plate. Side profile seamlessly blending a robust and definite SUV identity with exceptional aerodynamic efficiency. A new side profile with a design that considers an aerodynamic characteristic while maintaining a strong profile. Rear design a wide shoulder line along with boat tail cabin. For confident rear stance the bumper. Glossy black area with the technical details of the front and diffuser design that makes the rear look wide. A clean tailgate body with hidden wipers and rear design with a unique star map, lamp, graphic. Digital tier face look a strong and clear tiger nose identity. Implements this confidence and assertive front mask. Minimal openings with clean body surfaces give a calm and clean presence while angled and sharp character lines add tension and dynamic feeling. Depicts the value of clarity and simplicity through poetic approach with minimized black and lighting space. Digital pattern lighting. For the first time in the world, the optional small cube projection headlamp features the dynamic welcome light DWL driven by the light sources hidden behind the body-colored grille. Auto flush door handles the EV9 features and auto flush door handle, which stays hidden in the door panel while parking or driving and automatically pops up 39 millimeters when touched or went nearby with a smart key. Roof rack, the black color bridge type of rack, creates an off-road image as well as practicality for cargo loading. Wheels experience the road grip with 21-inch alloy wheel, tire size 285/45 R1 by Continental. Smart power tailgate. Open tailgate using smart key or sensor technology with hands-free. Stand behind the vehicle and wait for the tailgate to sense your smart key and open, automatically perfect for when your hands are full. Frunk large capacity frunk for parcel storage inside the front PE room with a capacity of 5 liters. Max payload 20 kilograms. V2L exterior power flows both ways in the EV9. With vehicle to load V2L, the integrated charging control unit ICCU can power electric devices wherever you go. Let's talk about safety. If there is a risk of collision with a rear side vehicle in the blind spot while changing lanes, BCA also automatically assists with emergency braking when forward exiting a parallel parking spot if there is a risk of collision with a vehicle approaching from behind. Now it's time for interior. Let's watch some visuals of Kia EV9. As you can see, power steering, wide display touchscreen, comfortable seats. Modern and luxurious interior, simple, refined interior design with the best layout and graphics to enhance the usability. Swiveling second-row seats can turn 180 degrees to directly face third-row occupants for a more intimate interaction with third-row seat occupants. Intuitive operation is possible by adopting a column-type electronic shift lever with an integrated start button. Digital side mirror provides a wider and clearer rear view compared to optical mirror, even in bad weather, through the camera and 7-inch OLED monitor inside the vehicle. A 9.6 inches digital center mirror switches between an optical mirror and a camera display mode, with the bottom of the mirror providing safe rear visibility. A 12-inch high-definition images project driving related information from the cluster and navigation onto the windshield to minimize drivers' distraction power appliances like refrigerators and TVs and charge phones, using V2L outlet in the rear area without depleting the vehicle battery. Maximize listening experience through 14 high-performance speakers and Meridian Premium sound system. Adoption of a high-speed smartphone charging system with a rubber pad to prevent phone movement while driving and a cooling fan to prevent overheating. Minimize rear structures, maximize the visual sense of space for passengers in the rear seat. After the front seat AC is turned off the rear seat, AC can be individually turned on to improve convenience and minimize power consumption. Protects skin health and provides a pleasant cabin environment by applying diffused air vents with direct and indirect wind selection to the roof of the rear seat. Offers superb living/storage convenience in the second row by applying a drawer-type storage space, a tray that can be used as a table. Avant buttons with a haptic feedback function that backlit lights only when EV power is on give a clean image. Enjoy quick and convenient access to entertainment and other functions with the press of a finger. An expansive dual sunroof lets light and fresh air into the roomy interior. Enjoy the extended view and luxury with dual sunroof. The tailgate opened to reveal generous space behind the rearmost seats for luggage, sports equipment, and groceries, complementing the storage capacity of the front trunk. The price of this luxury Kia EV9 is $54,900 to $71,900. Tell me in comments, do you like this Kia EV9 2026 model? Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.